Today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the rear bumper for this Mercedes C-Class 2011. So we're gonna open the boot. We're gonna have to remove this part. We're gonna need a toolbox with this plastic removing tool, trim removing tool, or a screwdriver you can use. Okay, so inside here you have two nuts, two plastic nuts. You have to unscrew them with 10mm ratchet. You can unscrew them. You don't have to take them out. Okay, now I'm gonna use this tool, or you can use the screwdriver. You're gonna have to put like this, yeah, and start doing like that. After you finish this, you have to lift up a bit and then push like that. That's it. Okay. Now inside here we have long screw. So we're gonna need a long bit, long tail. So we're gonna need a 10mm long bit to unscrew that nut. We have one nut here and one nut here. So as you can see, I weld my my tool. I weld two bits, and I make only one, yeah, to unscrew this this. So now we're gonna start unscrewing. Okay, now the other one. Okay, now we're gonna go in the sides. Okay, in the sides we're gonna have here, right here, we're gonna have the screw with the 10mm. So we're gonna insert the tool inside here. You can use a flashlight. You can lift up with the now we're gonna unscrew it. Take it out nicely. This is one. Now we're gonna go in the other side, doing the same thing. It's right here, yeah, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna go under the bumper to unscrew the other screws. Okay, now we're gonna have to unscrew this screw with the T20. This side as well. And we have here and here, we're gonna have another two screws with a 10 mil. It's right here. Okay, now the other one. I see the other one was damaged here, so we're gonna have to push a bit. Okay, now with this tool or the screwdriver, you're gonna have to remove this rivet, this plastic rivet. Okay, you have to do the same thing in the left side, but I don't have it because it was broken, so I'm not gonna do that in this side as well. Okay, now we're gonna have to start shaking it slowly to remove the bumper. Okay, you have to remove these ones as well, and you're gonna have to remove these ones as well. Okay, and the other side as well. On this side I have two, the other side I had only one. Actually in the both sides there are two, but I had only one in the other side. Okay, now doesn't matter which side you start, but you have to start shaking the bumper like that. This, if you want, you can ask a friend to help you to remove the bumper, or you can do it by your own self. This is what I'm gonna do because I don't have nobody to help me. Okay, now this side. Remember, when you remove the bumper, try to push the bumper down, yeah? And don't break nothing, and don't scratch the wings or something else. Okay, see, have to remove this one as well. Okay, and this piece of shit with a 10mm ratchet, with a 10mm socket. Okay, now inside here we have this plug, so we're gonna need a screwdriver, small screwdriver, or this tool. We're gonna have to push this one inside like that and pull out the plug. Then we're gonna have to push this rubber out from the car out. Okay, this is it. This is the way how you remove the rear bumper for this Mercedes C-Class. If you have any question, put it below on the comment section. I'm gonna answer to you if you have any problems. If you want me to make a video for you for your own car, just comment below which type and what do you want to know to remove from your own car, and I'm gonna do a video for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.